Easy no Carol. All nice and decent celebrity crew are kind of host, cause them a kill me with the dub play thing nowadays, you know. I can't rest in peace. All original.
No, Ninja, why would you want to rest in peace? We understand what you're saying still. Look at that.
Rude boy clean on a gun. All nice and decent celebrity security force clean on a gun. The original front teeth, gold teeth, then gog and gun front teeth, brush teeth with toothpaste.
What was that? What was that on Ninja mode? Probably because this is the time when they say I take Coca, whatever it is, Coca-Cola. Probably that's why he put some white stuff on his mustache. Like, what? What's that?
Yes, come. Seguruba.